Hey guys, 2004 Runner here. My issue is I am not getting any wiper fluid coming out of the rear nozzle above the tailgate. I found the problem and I just wanted to show you really quickly. So here's your wiper fluid reservoir. Here's your hose going under the hood to your front nozzles for the windshield. But then if you look down here, you can see I have fluid there. So if you follow this hose down, here's the windshield one, and behind it you can see there's a nipple there that came off my hose. So if you're having this issue, check that nipple, that barb fitting. And so let me throw this back on and see if that fixes it. One sec. All right, you can see I reattached it there. Let's go find out if that fixed it. All right, so key on. Should see fluid out of the back. There you go. Nice and clean. All right, so hope that helps. What really helped me find that soaking wet spot in my engine bay was I filled up the reservoir. I put like a gallon in. I just held the rear wiper fluid on for like 10 Mississippi seconds, and then I could really start looking around. I'm not saying that's your same spot, but definitely check those little barb fittings in there. Check your rear nozzle, see if it's clogged. Let me know what your solution was. Thanks for watching. See you. Subscribe.
Third gen, best gen.